Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to remove key value pairs from dictionary in Python. When we no longer need a piece of information that's stored in a dictionary, we can use the del delete statement to completely remove a key value pair. Del statements need the name of the dictionary and the key that we want to remove. So let's have our dictionary student and the key value pair name John and other key and its value email and its value. Now if we want to remove the email with its value, we can use del statement with it. So let's see, they need to type in del and the name of the dictionary and the key. So the key is email. And then we are going to print our dictionary. And I'm going to print before deleting also. So over here, I'm gonna need print and student. So first we are printing the initial dictionary. Then we delete one key and its value, and then print our dictionary again. Let's see. Run our code. And here's our initial dictionary, and after removing the key and its value. So this del statements tells Python to delete the key email from our dictionary student and to remove its value associated with this key as well. And we need to be aware of that the deleted key value pair is removed permanently. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.